Is this the best affordable cleansing balm? Keep watching to find out. Hi guys! If you're new to my channel, my name is May Sittler and I upload videos all about fashion, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. Today I'm reviewing the Physicians Formula Cleansing Balm. If you're not familiar, Physicians Formula is a cruelty-free, paraben-free, and hypoallergenic drugstore beauty brand. It is one of my favorite beauty brands since it is so affordable and it has some of my favorite beauty products like the Butter Bronzer and the Healthy Foundation. I'm actually wearing both products on my face right now. I've been using this product for almost a year. This is my third or fourth time buying this, so I have quite a few opinions about it. This product contains 1.4 ounces and is about $14 online. I typically buy mine at CVS or Target. I also want to mention this product lasts about 3 to 4 months, so you don't need that much. In the back it says antioxidant packed and enriched with matcha green tea, bamboo shoot, and lotus extract. So this is what the product looks like. You open it up, there's a spatula on the top. Take this piece off, and then that's what it looks like. It's like a light green color. It's super soft, and as you can tell, I've used quite a bit of this. So now let's get into how to use this product and in what order of your skincare routine. The first step is to wash your hands. Make sure when you're applying skincare that your hands are clean. That is a must. You use a cleansing balm in the beginning of your skincare routine because you want to remove the first layer of makeup, dirt, sunscreen, whatever you have on your skin that you've been wearing throughout the day. The next step is to take the spatula and scoop out a small amount into your hands. And you don't need that much. Warm up the product in your hands and gently massage into your skin. I like to start off with the eyes and work my way towards the lips and the rest of my face. As you can see, my mascara is coming off very easily, no tugging whatsoever. Please make sure to be extra gentle around the eye area. Next, rinse off with warm water or with a damp cloth. I'm using a damp cloth since I'm not near my sink. Remember, this is not your only cleansing step. I like to go directly to my second cleanse. Now you can move forward with the rest of your skincare. So what are the pros and cons to this product? Pros, it's affordable. It removes waterproof makeup, specifically mascara. That's like the hardest thing to remove. It does not leave any residue, which is a big thing for me for cleansing balms. There's this very well-known one at the drugstore and I do not like that one since it is a cream and it just kind of stays on the skin. For cons, it contains fragrance and that could be a big deal breaker for people. I completely understand that, especially in skincare. Now, it may irritate your eyes because of the fragrance, but keep that in mind. Just make sure your eyes are closed, and if you're using a washcloth, really just be able to remove it before you open your eyes. You guys can probably tell, but I really like this product. Even though it has fragrance, I find it to be very effective and it's also affordable, so I highly recommend it. Hopefully, Physicians Formula will come out with a fragrance-free option so we can all enjoy this product. I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the Physicians Formula Cleansing Balm. Please leave a thumbs up on this video and let me know in the comments below if you tried out this product before and what are your thoughts. Do you like it? Do you not? I want to know down below. I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye!